Go home happy with the 2023 Nissan Armada. Get into this upscale Armada and let the adventure begin. From its spacious cabin that seats 8 in refined comfort, to its standard driver assist safety tech, to its massive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive, this commanding SUV gives you the confidence to take on whatever the journey has in store. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, premium sound system. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.